Welcome! Today we will learn how to view our dataset in linear, log, dB and 3D using our DATS analysis software. Let's load our dataset. We will use race car run-up waterfall. This is found in our examples folder. If you have a particular dataset that you would like to use, feel free. We can expect to see a typical type of waterfall, the stacked FFT spectra. We are currently viewing this in linear. We can change to view this in logarithmic or dB scale. We can display this as an intensity plot by using the intensity button. What we have here is the intensity plot shown in linear. We can also change the view to an intensity plot log scale. And, if we want to, change this view to an intensity dB log scale. We can see the colors associated with the value in dB. Another good thing about the software is you can view them in 3D, otherwise known as isometric. This display shows the graph currently in an isometric linear form. If we change to dB, the scale on linear will change to a dB scale. If we want to show some color resolution on our 3D display, we simply double-click this graph. Then we tick the intensity plot option. We would also like our intensity plot to be on the three-dimensional surface. We can now see the colors associated with the dBs. To switch back to the original classic waterfall view, we simply click the waterfall button. It is generally best to view this on linear.